Hello, you are most welcome. I'm Teacher Ivan from Wuna Educational Services. We are still looking at linear equations. But before we continue, I request you to subscribe to all our YouTube channels from Wuna Educational Services, which include Wuna Kids Platform, Wuna e-learning platform, and Teacher Ivan's online class. Otherwise, last time in our previous lesson, we looked at what linear equations are and how we solve them. However, to remind ourselves, linear equations are equations with one unknown of the first degree. This is what we mean. If you look at our equation, we have one unknown, which is x. And this x is to power 1. That's what we mean by being of the first degree. If you look at our x is to power 1. This is x power 1, x power 1, x power 1. Otherwise, when solving such linear equations that involve fractions, we shall find the LCM of the denominators. After getting the LCM, we multiply each term by the LCM. So the LCM of our denominators is 20. So the LCM equals to 20. Now we are going to multiply each term by 20 so that we eliminate the fraction and then collect like terms. That is to say, we shall have 1 times 20 plus 3x minus 5 times 20 over 20 minus x plus 1 times 20 over 5 equaling to a half into x plus 2 times 20. So we reduce where it is possible. 20 will cancel with 20, so that we remain with 3x minus 5 minus the 5 reduces 20 to 4, so that we get 4 into x plus 1 equaling to the half reduces 20 to 10, so that we get 10 into x plus 2. So that means that multiplying throughout by the LCM was intended to eliminate the fraction that we had. So after that, we shall open the brackets and collect like terms. That is 20 plus 3x minus 5 equal minus, this is 4x minus 4 equals to 10x plus 20. So after opening brackets, we collect like terms where the constants will be on one side and the variables on the other side. That is to say, we shall have 3x minus 4x minus the 10x. This one will cross the equal signs to become minus 10x. Then equaling to 20 minus the 20 plus 5 plus 4. So this gives us negative 11x equaling to 20 will cancel out. So this is positive 9. Then we'll divide through by negative 11, so that we get x as negative 9 over 11. The negative goes up and end up with that. So whenever we are given linear equations that involve fractions, the first step is eliminating the fraction by getting the LCM and multiply throughout by the LCM. After that, we open brackets where they are, simplify by collecting like terms and getting the unknown. So that is how we work out linear equations. Otherwise, let us look at our second example. We have our second equation, which is 3m plus 12 over 4 minus 2m minus 5 over 5 plus 3 minus 7m over 10 equaling to m over 20. So this qualifies to be called a linear equation. Why? Because it has one unknown, that is m, and that unknown is of first degree, that is m to power 1. Hence, we shall solve this first of all by getting the LCM of the denominators, that is LCM of denominators equals to, it is 20. If you don't know how we get LCM, LCM means the lowest common multiple. So you look at our denominators. The lowest common multiple of this is 20. After getting the LCM, multiply this LCM with each term so that you eliminate the fractions. That is to say, you get 20 into 3m plus 12 over 4 minus 20 into 2m minus 5 over 5 plus 20 into 3 minus 7m over 10 equaling to 20 into m over 20. Then after multiplying throughout by the LCM, you reduce where possible. This is 5, so you end up with 5 into 3m plus 12 minus, this is 4, so you get 4 into 2m minus 5 plus, this is 2, so you get 2 into 3 minus 7m equaling to m. Then after that, we shall open the brackets. However, please be careful as you are opening brackets. So look clearly and see what happens. This and this gives us 15m plus 60 minus 80m plus 20. So a negative times a negative gives us a positive. That is very important when opening brackets. Plus 6 minus 14m equals to m. So after opening brackets, our next step is to collect the like terms. So we shall have 15m minus 8m minus 14m minus m equaling to we get this, and this on one side. Then we take the constants on the other side. That is to say, these positives will become negative, so that we get negative 60 minus 20 minus 6. Hence, this will give us, this is 15. So this 15 cancels with this. We end up with negative 8n equaling to, this is negative 86. So we divide by negative 8, negative 8. M is given by, we divide, we can express this as a fraction, which is 10 whole number 6/8. So that is how we solve linear equations. Please don't forget to subscribe to all our YouTube channels, that is Wuna e-learning platform, Wuna Kids platform, and Teacher Ivan's online class. Hit the bell so that you get notified whenever we have new videos. Otherwise, thank you. Meet next time.